LX 2048, a new adventure science fiction drama movie directed by Guy Moshi, starring James Darcy and Anna Brewster. James Darcy is playing a dying man confronting strange post death options in Guy Moshi's science fiction drama, which also features Delroy Lindo, a solid entry in genre that's likely to see exponential growth over the next few years. Guy Moshi's LX 2048 explores how hypothetical advances in virtual reality, cloning, AI, and the digitization of biological brains will change the way humans deal with familial and romantic relationships. Yes, that's a long list of science fiction topics, and we haven't even mentioned the pictures take on a climate change and demographic shifts. But while the film can sometimes feel overstuffed, Moshi's script credibly grapples with changes that are, after all, well underway in the real world. And lead James Darcy embodies the anxieties and self-righteousness of a man fighting to retain some grip on the increasingly shaky concept of a real life. Viewers with a low tolerance for science fiction may well be content with the way more polished recent productions, like from several Black Mirror episodes to Blade Runner 2049. But still, we are getting both in immediate policymaking terms with respect to AI, data gathering in the big tech, and in the more ruminative way that science fiction makes possible. While LX 2048 isn't equally satisfying on all fronts, it's more than successful enough to add to the where are we going. In 1 hour 43 minutes, you get to see everything. In this science fiction, we get to see some of amazing CGI, nice script, and well acted, but nothing over the top. The movie started strong, the second act is little bit slow, but the new concept with AI will make you definitely happy. And this is really beautiful looking movie, guys. I remember in the theater, everyone was very happy. I really enjoyed the film, and I'm going with 7 out of 10. Definitely check it out in theaters. And thank you so much, guys, as always, for watching. Take care, guys. Bye bye.